The Chief Magistrate Court sitting in Ibrahim Taiwo Road in Kaduna has remanded a grandfather and 10 other suspects over the rape of a 50-year-old disabled minor in Kikorot Village, Kaduna local government area of Kaduna State. Reports indicate the suspect raped and had carnal knowledge of the victim continuously at different intervals after deceiving and luring her into various places, resulting into pregnancy. The report was filed from our studios.
The victim, Fatima Maitanti, a physically challenged minor whose parents were blind, was allegedly lured in multiple times to different locations by the accused persons and sexually assaulted her, resulting to unwanted pregnancy. The act, according to police authority, contravenes Section 257 of Kaduna State Penal Code and punishable offence. State Commissioner for Human Services and Social Development, Haji Arabi Salisu, expressed concern over alleged police negligence in properly investigating the case, accusing the authorities of obstructing justice for the victim.
She's a minor and now she has given birth without her own consent. She has a baby that she cannot take care of. She is too small to handle a childhood. She was impregnated when she was 14. And at this moment, she is still 15 years old. So I don't know how she can take care of, and she is also blind. She has only one eye. So you can see how this thing is touching us. And Kaduna State government is not going to sit down and look at all these menaces happening in our community and to keep quiet. That is why you see me here in court.
The presiding judge, Justice Abubakar Lamido, ordered that the suspect be remanded at the correctional facility pending the transfer of the case to the High Court, stating that the court is awaiting legal advice from the Kaduna State Ministry of Justice. The case was adjourned to May 22 for mention.
The girl has given birth now. She has a child of 4 months because the DPO that was retired breakingly silenced the case and released them on bail. And the capital offense are not supposed to be granted there. So that is why we open up the case as a fresh case to arrest them, and we thank the Commissioner of Police and his team for this quick action that has been taken to arrest this culprit in favor of the survivor.
However, the Kaduna State government says it will provide social welfare support for both the child and the mother, while warning against abuse, torture, molestation against women, children, and persons living with physical disability.
The Kaduna State government is going to take care of the social welfare of the child and the mother. The mother also, she's a child, and the child she has given birth to is also a child. So they are going to be under our care for their social protection and all social amenities. We are not going to watch anybody molest or abuse any sexual atrocities on our children in Kaduna State, especially the people with disability communities. We are not going to sit down and let anyone abuse them because we feel they are vulnerable. Their vulnerability has ability, and government is here to back them and to take refuge on everyone that has to harm them.
The Kaduna State government reiterated its commitment to ensuring justice for all victims, particularly women, children, and vulnerable groups, emphasizing that the enforcement of existing protective laws, including the Child Protection and Welfare Law, the Violence Against Persons Prohibition Law, and the use of the Sex Offender Registry to document offender as a deterrent to future crimes.